Have you ever wondered why some questions in life have no easy answers? One person spends their entire life being honest, kind, and hardworking, yet struggles to succeed. Another lies, cheats, exploits people, and still enjoys wealth, power, and comfort. If karma is real, why doesn't everyone get immediate justice? Think about relationships. Sometimes the most genuine and loyal person struggles for years to find the right partner or even ends up being betrayed, while someone who has never valued loyalty seems to find a loving partner without much effort. How do we explain that? Think about children. Two parents may give the same love, the same education, the same values, yet one child grows into a compassionate human being and the other chooses a completely different path. Why do some children display extraordinary talents from a very young age? Why do some people seem unusually wise, compassionate, or gifted long before life has had much chance to shape them? Think about Buddha, born into a royal family, surrounded by luxury. Yet, as a young prince, he began questioning suffering, attachment, and the purpose of life. Most people would have enjoyed that comfort. Why did he walk away from it? Was it only because of his surroundings, or was he carrying something deeper within him? Then there's another question. Why is one person born into poverty, another into a middle class family, and another into immense wealth? None of us chooses where we begin. So, who decides the starting point? Science explains a lot through genetics, upbringing, and environment. But even after accounting for them, some questions still remain unanswered. For thousands of years, several traditions have spoken about karma, reincarnation, as the idea that life is a much longer journey than we can see. While science has not confirmed reincarnation, the questions continue to intrigue philosophers, spiritual traditions, and even some researchers. So, the real thought is, what if this life is only one chapter of a much bigger story? What if the answers to many of life's biggest inequalities don't begin at birth, but way long before it? No one can say for certain. But perhaps that's why every action, every choice, every intention matters much more than we realize. Give it a thought.